Hi, doctor and everyone. My name is Li Jingna and my metric number is 1455187. So for this video, I will present my magazine project to you guys. Now let's see the screen. So first about the organization grid of and layout of my project. I use Modulate grid. On a basis of a grid was laid rectangle or page margins, separated from page edges with margins, and divided with gathers on 2 and 3 columns. Between the columns, a gutter of 5 mm was provided. This is easier for the reader to read. Also, the layout is very simple for my magazine, but it can be diversified by adding some elements. For example, by structuring a title or an image into 2 columns, some into 3 columns. Text and illustrations are placed on the pages. As you can see, visual message is very important for my magazine design. You can look at this screen. So I pay great attention to the combination of words and pictures, and I set aside a large part of space to convey the visual information or pictures in the process of typesetting. And next, for the subject matter and why I choose the theme for my grid and layout. I choose fashion design brand as the main subject theme of my magazine. So for this fashion theme, as I said before, picture visual message is the main point for the whole magazine. So the grid and layout based on this fashion theme is very simple, don't have too many elements. Large size pictures and clean and also concise words are the main idea of my design of this fashion theme magazine. About the typeface and the color, actually I don't choose so many different typeface because I want the whole magazine to look unified. For the title, I use Arial Black to notice, and the content I usually use Arial font. Also, I insert my own typeface, Harima Malaya, and the color choice, most I use white and black, and also use some bright color like orange to show the active feeling to the readers. Makes this magazine not so boring. Not too many color choices makes the whole magazine look very simple. And last, about my ability to design the magazine. I use Adobe InDesign for my whole project. I use the knowledge I learned from the lectures. InDesign is more convenient for the overall operation. The unification of the overall grid and the operation of text and graphics in the typesetting process. At the same time, InDesign can also be adjusted at the same time, such as addition of pages, something like this. InDesign also makes the overall grid and typesetting of the magazine looks more simple and easier to modify. So that's all my experience of design a magazine, and thank you for listening.